When the spread of COVID-19 threatened to halt malaria elimination initiatives in Mozambique, including indoor residual spraying, it spawned an unlikely partnership, one that not only kept vital training programs up and running, but gave rise to innovative solutions that will boost the fight against the disease going forward.
Everything changed. We couldn't train the number of people at the training centre, 250 at a time. We had to train in each district 50 at a time. We couldn't move people between districts and provinces.
Walls are essential to IRS training, as the correct application technique is taught to spray operators to ensure maximum efficacy out of the insecticide. When training center walls were suddenly no longer available, Goodbye Malaria identified a solution of using mobile walls, which could easily be transported to and assembled in the temporary training centers across southern Mozambique.
We knew exactly what we needed. We couldn't manufacture those walls by ourselves. We needed a private sector partner with a private sector mindset, coming up with an innovative solution, making it user-friendly, mobile, and all those things.
Knowing that private sector suppliers would be struggling to find work during lockdown, Goodbye Malaria contacted experiential agency VWV, and a powerful partnership was born.
My team of designers and carpenters had just less than 4 weeks to produce 1.2 kilometers of training walls. This did throw up quite a few challenges. Firstly, South Africa was under lockdown restrictions, so procuring of materials wasn't always that easy. When we did procure the materials, it all arrived here at the same time, and we had to find a way of working around that volume of material. And then thirdly, and probably the most challenging one, was shipping and trucking of the walls into 3 regions of Mozambique through restricted borders at the time.
So the relationship with VWV was virtual. The entire thing was virtual. I picked up a phone and phoned Kunrad with a request. It took him exactly a week to come up with sketches and design plans, which is amazing.
During COVID times, we had the challenge of keeping our staff employed, and Goodbye Malaria had the challenge of carrying on with their training. During this unusual time, we found a solution and a great collaboration.
I think the mobile training walls is definitely going to change the way we spray, due to the fact that we had to think out of the box. So it's one of the unintended benefits and spin-offs of COVID. Is the fact that we thought out of the box, and that a lot of what we're doing now during COVID time is actually going to stick, and we're going to use it regardless if COVID is around or not.
A grande diferença, uma diferença positiva até, enquanto que neste momento, como já estão distribuídas por distritos, estamos a prever que vamos fazer em menos de 2 meses. Em 30 dias vamos conseguir treinar todo o grupo de roceadores. Então são paredes benéficas e são fáceis de se montar e desmontar.
Going forward, we're excited to explore other opportunities with Goodbye Malaria to enhance the fight against malaria.
The beauty of the mobile training walls is the fact that we can reuse them. So it makes it very sustainable, and I think it's going to revolutionize the way people do indoor residual spraying in Africa.